Welcome to Psychology Simplified, the podcast where we break down groundbreaking studies in just 5 minutes. Today, we're diving into a pivotal experiment in sleep research, the 1957 study by Nhat and Kleitman. Do you ever wonder if your dreams were tied to any specific eye movements? Stay around to find out. First, we're going to talk about the background of this study. In the mid-20th century, scientists were still trying to decode the mysteries of sleep. So William Nhat and Nathaniel Kleitman at the University of Chicago pioneered in this field. So the key question to this study was, does rapid eye movement, or REM, during sleep correlate with dreaming at all? To answer this question, they conducted one of the first systematic sleep studies. They recruited 9 participants, 7 of which were males and 2 of which were females, and they monitored them in the sleep lab for many nights. Each participant was hooked up to an EEG machine to track their brain activity, and their eye movements were observed throughout the night. It was revolutionary. By combining physiological data with subjective reports, they laid the foundation for the modern sleep research.
So here's how it worked. Participants were allowed to sleep naturally in a dark room. The researchers used the EEG to identify different stages of sleep, particularly REM and non-REM sleep. During REM sleep, they would wake participants to ask a key question: were you dreaming? The results? Over 80% of participants reported vivid dreams when awakened during REM sleep, compared to only 7% during non-REM sleep. Nhat and Kleitman also discovered a fascinating link between eye movement and dream content. For instance, if a participant's eyes move horizontally, their dream often involved looking at something moving side to side, like watching a tennis match. This was one of the first studies to scientifically demonstrate that dreams are closely tied to REM sleep.
So, why does this study matter? First, it confirmed that REM sleep is a distinct stage of sleep closely associated with dreaming. This finding transformed our understanding of the sleep cycle, which consists of REM and non-REM stages. Secondly, their methodology of using EEGs and self-reports became a blueprint for future sleep studies. And lastly, their work inspired decades of research into dream analysis, memory consolidation, and even sleep disorders like insomnia and narcolepsy. Without Nhat and Kleitman's contributions, we might still be in the dark about why sleep is so critical to our health and well-being.
That's it for today's episode of Psychology Simplified. The Nhat and Kleitman study reminds us how curiosity and careful observation can unlock the mysteries of the human mind. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Sweet dreams, and see you next time.